Okay guys, for today I'm going to introduce my village and the village of Indonesia. And I'm in rice field, and for today we are going to plow rice field, and after plowing rice field we are going to plant the rice on the rice field. And this is situation in the morning, station of rice field in the morning, and we have friend rice field like this, and the other rice field still flowing. This is the prepare for plowing rice field, and we use tractor in plowing rice field. Guys, this is we call saung, and if we after do activities on the rice field, and we can take rest in this saung, yeah. And we also can cooking something.